Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 18th, 2022, and I'm starting my cold season crops here. I'm out here in the greenhouse. I'm out here in the old greenhouse, and I'm going to be starting some premium late flat Dutch cabbage, some Brunswick cabbage, beautiful red acre cabbage. This is one of my favorite cabbages that we grow. Smart Snack hybrid broccoli, and some snow crown cauliflower. Now, all of these go down the same planting depth, so I'm just going to be showing you how to plant one of them. And when they start germinating, then I will come back with a video and I'll show them to you. So we'll be back. Okay, so these are my seeds here, and this is cabbage seeds. Now, all of your the cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, your Brussels sprout seeds, all of those seeds look identical to each other. And the seedlings look pretty much the same. So you definitely want to make sure that you are labeling them. And I already have one of mine labeled here. I'm going to do a 4-pack of the cabbages here. So I'm just getting these in here real quick. And I'm going to be putting these down about 1/8 of an inch. Take the back of my nail. I'm just going to press it in some. I'm going to go ahead and cover over this. Oops. There we go. One of my favorite things when the cabbage comes in is cold slaw. I love cold slaw. So I'm going to go ahead and get these misted, and then I'm going to plant the rest of my seeds here. Okay, so these are all planted here, and I'm going to take my watering wand here. I have it set on a mist, and I'm just going over top of these here, and that's going to get that seed moist. So these usually start germinating in about 7 to 14 days. Now, I keep my seeds in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag, and then I take them out when I plant them. And that, for me, helps speed up the germination process. So I'm going to get these here put on the floor. My floor is heated. If you don't have that, you can use a germination mat. And when these start germinating, I will come back and show them to you. Okay, so today is February 24th, 2022, and you can see here the broccoli, cauliflower. Back here is a cabbage, and we have some more cabbages over here, some more right here, and some are still coming up. But what I do is, as soon as I see my cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower starting to germinate, I take them off of the heated floor and I put them up on the shelves. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more video updates and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. And also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a nice day. Bye.